The 2025 Lexus Pickup is here to revolutionize the pickup truck market, combining powerful performance, innovative design, and luxurious interior. This new addition to the Lexus family promises to offer an unparalleled driving experience, with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled comfort. Read on to find out more about the 2025 Lexus Pickup's impressive specs. The best way to experience the 2025 Lexus Pickup is to take it for a test drive and experience this pickup's power and luxury firsthand. With a smooth and responsive ride, this pickup truck offers an exhilarating driving experience that is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. Upon entering the cabin of the 2025 Lexus Pickup, passengers are greeted by a sophisticated and luxurious environment. High-quality materials and impeccable craftsmanship reflect Lexus's commitment to comfort and elegance. Ergonomic, adjustable seats offer exceptional support during long journeys, ensuring a comfortable driving experience for everyone on board. With a powerful and efficient engine, the 2025 Lexus Pickup delivers exceptional performance in all driving conditions. Whether on or off the road, this pickup truck is capable of delivering an exciting and dynamic driving experience. With state-of-the-art technology and an advanced drivetrain, the Lexus Pickup ensures precise handling and smooth acceleration,